Hi guys, I have some happy mail to share with you today. I received this beautiful card from my friend Jill Norwood, and most of you guys know her. I will put a link in the description box. And she sent me this beautiful card with a little token of appreciation. And Jill, girl, you never owe me anything. I love sending to you. And, I just do it because I want to. So that's just how friends work. Anyway, she sent me this gorgeous card with a sweet little message inside. And Jill, thank you so much. She also surprised me with an order that she had placed from My Favorite Things, and it came directly to me. And she told me I couldn't go shopping. She asked me if I'd gone shopping, and I said no. And she said, don't go shopping. You're not allowed to. Well, I'm like, okay. And then this package arrived. Now, they sent this card. It did come right before Valentine's Day. They sent this card along with it. So, thank you to MFT. And this is what she sent you guys. Jill, I don't know what I'm going to do with you. Isn't this adorable? She said she saw this and thought of me, and I am just so beyond touched that she thought of me. This is so cute. I can't hardly even stand it. It's so adorable. And so she sent the stamp set. It's called A Very Sweet Somebody. She also included the dies, which I wanted to... Yeah, Jill. She also sent this stamp set, which is You're My Person, Galentine, Be My Galentine, You're My Forever Galentine, Friends Like You Are Hard to Find, Cheers to You, Galentine, My Girl Crush, I Love Your Beautiful Heart, which that's my favorite, and thank you for keeping me sane. There's quite a few friends on my list that should have that. And then a little heart, Jill. And then if that wasn't enough, then this came too. And I haven't even opened this, honestly, this part. So, she got the glue for me because I'm still hunting for the perfect glue. Still reaching for my favorite glue all the time, which is the Quick Dry Decky Glue. Yeah, and it's not just because I was published with them. Just saying. But anyway, so we'll give this one a try and see how it works. I hate sticky glue. If it's sticky when it's dry, it's not good. Anyway, and then she sent this beautiful paper pad. It's called, let's see, Buffalo Brights. And it is all buffalo plaids. As you guys can see, I'm not going to open it right now. But isn't it gorgeous? Look at this paper. Look at this paper. Okay, there's my favorite right there. Just a beautiful blue. And there's reds. And there's, it's so gorgeous. Thank you, Jill. Thank you so, so much, my friend. You are too much. So this was some happy mail that I received from Jill. She sent it not as a Valentine's or a Galentine's, but just to cheer me up. And I thank you, my friend. So that was my sweet happy mail from Jill Norwood. Again, her link will be in the description box. And I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. And please make a happy memory. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.